Meme coins have been rallying over the last couple of months, and we've seen countless projects on Solana's blockchain, on Ethereum's blockchain, on Tron's blockchain ultimately explode in value. And now that we're seeing Bitcoin rally again, Bitcoin crossed above $70,000 per coin at one point, well, it looks like meme coins are going to continue to outperform the rest of the market, because usually that's what always happens in every single bull market cycle. You see altcoins simply perform the best if you can pick the winning ones. So recently I did invest in a pre-sale. A project is called Pepeto. It is branding itself as the god of frogs. Currently, they've already raised over $200,000 in a very short period of time, and you can see that right now one Pepeto token is equal to this right here. You can go ahead and buy it with ETH, USDT, you could get it with card, you also can get it with BNB. It's very simple and easy to go about participating in this pre-sale. And the cool thing about it is that Pepeto is ultimately a project that has a lot of major benefits that you really don't see with most meme coins. They already have staking with 3,910%. We'll go over some of the details of that. They have a bridge, which we'll talk a little bit about that as well. They have a lot of plans for the future. So really the background of Pepeto is that if we're looking at the project, Pepeto, if we look at their white paper, Pepeto is a project that ultimately stands for, the name Pepeto stands for power, energy, precision, efficiency, technology, and optimism. So Pepeto. And with this project, Pepe stole only the first four, while Pepeto got them all and is ready to reveal the truth about Pepe and the future of meme coins in 2025 with its value: the bridge, exchange, staking rewards, and utility. So those are the all main benefits of the project, like utility aspects that you could say. So like the bridge, exchange, staking rewards, and utility. And the thing about it is that if we scroll down a little bit more on the white paper, Pepeto went through eras from Sumerian to Chinese to Egyptian to a meeting with Satoshi Nakamoto. He got all the sacred documents to rock the world of meme coins, and while he was looking for Satoshi regarding the T and O, ultimately Pepe stole the four documents and went public with no value. Pepe steals the documents and became famous, and then they brand themselves as saying the day of judgment has to come. And they talk all about these documents right here, like the whole legend behind it, mystery behind it, and all of that. So you can see they talk about Pepeto's journey began thousands of years ago. You can see it breaks down all the specific details of this. And really, we went over this just briefly already, but if you want to see it in more detail, they talk about each era and each letter. You can see, for example, Chinese era. Precision. They talk a little bit about the P stands for precision. Ancient Chinese scholars believed in balances and harmony, etc. You can see they talk about the Egyptian era, efficiency. Next journey led them to ancient Egypt. They talk about what that stands for. They talk about the next one, the modern era, technology and optimization, T and O. And you can see that they really have thought out this project from start to finish, really thinking of every single aspect of it, trying to create the most value, create the strongest community, and really continue to build potentially the next billion-dollar crypto. So if we're looking at their white paper, they talk all about these different things. The white paper is around 10 pages long, and they say, look, with Pepeto, with all 6 documents in hand, they basically are saying each letter stands for a document. Pepeto is now preparing for the return to the modern world of crypto. He's armed with complete knowledge, and that they think this project can really dominate the entire crypto space. So if we're scrolling down and we look at the website, we can see that they also have already had a lot of exciting things happen. They've already seen that they've had major audits done by some of the biggest names in the crypto space, from CoinSold and SolidProof. And we go ahead and look at this, we can see that from SolidProof, they got all the checks. Really, there was nothing to be concerned about with their audit, and you could go ahead, scroll through it. I'll link this down below so you could see everything. With CoinSold, they had no major issues with their smart contract as well. There were 0 total issues. There was no high risk, no medium risk, no low risk, no informational risks. That's actually a little rare to see for a meme coin. Usually you see some of the lower or informational risks, sometimes even medium risk. So it's nice to see that there was no risks at all in terms of the smart contract. Then if we look a little bit further down on the website, we can then see about the Pepeto Bridge. With this Pepeto Bridge, it says Pepeto's Bridge isn't just a tool, it embodies his wisdom and unifying power, connecting different blockchain worlds. As part of the technology he mastered, the bridge allows assets to move seamlessly using a lock and mint mechanism, locking tokens on one chain while minting equivalents on another. And you can see that you can go ahead, click apply now. And with this, it says, look, PXL, Pepeto Exchange listing, no corruption. If your project merits a listing, it'll be granted the full integrity. Should any support be needed, the God of Frogs will guide you. And you can see all the details about that. But so this bridge is like, a major feature that is going to come for the project. Then finally, if you go ahead and look at some of the details with tokenomics and staking. With tokenomics, you can see that 30% is allocated to pre-sale, 30% is allocated to staking, 20% to marketing, 7.5% to product development, and 12.5% to liquidity. So I really like this breakdown because they have a lot of the portion allocated for community-driven mechanisms like pre-sale. That's getting a community-driven project. Staking, that's also rewarding community holders and token holders. Then they also have a significant portion allocated to building the project long-term, with marketing having, a 20% token allocation. That gives them enough money to continue promoting the project, getting the community stronger, and that. And then last thing is going to be with that project development and liquidity. Those are just simply important for building a project long-term, having enough liquidity on exchanges for people to be able to trade tokens, and also just to continue, a project doesn't go stagnant with that project development budget. So ultimately, if you're looking at everything right now, this is a project that from tokenomics to what's going on with their roadmap, you can see that with Pepeto, it's very simple to get part of this project. You just have to go ahead, create a MetaMask wallet, load your wallet with crypto, and buy and stake it. You can see that you could buy directly from their website. And in terms of staking, they already have done some pretty impressive things. If we go ahead and click on staking, it'll bring us right here, and it says, look, there already are over 2 trillion Pepeto tokens staked. It says total staked, 2.1 trillion. Total current rewards are this right here, and the estimated rewards are 3,910%. So all you would have to do is connect your wallet, and then you could see your exact balances. And this project has seen a lot of traction already. They have a pretty strong community growing on social media, over on X. If you look over on Telegram as well, they have over 6,500 members. They have AMAs coming up. They have a lot of exciting things to look forward to, and with the overall market looking extremely bullish right now, I'm trying to double down on my meme coins because, as you can see, over the last 24 hours, we've seen all the top meme coins finish in the green, and I'm expecting now over the next couple of months, smaller projects to do extremely well and potentially make life-changing gains if you find the right one. So I did buy some Pepeto, and I did want to share it with you guys.